Today, I'm sharing 5 techniques for distressing your DIY projects. Gail Wilson here from MyRepurposedLife.com. Be sure and check out the blog and follow My Repurposed Life on social media for more great projects. Technique number 1, sandpaper. Sand by hand or use an electric sander. Stenciling on reclaimed wood is a great way to perfect your distressing technique. After you're finished with your project, sand the wood and the paint to get a really rustic look. In addition, you can sand the hooks to bring the entire project together. On a large project like this repurposed door headboard, you will want to use an electric sander. Don't stress about the distressed look. It will all come together in the end, I promise. Distressing old furniture is a great place to practice distressing. Work on the areas that would get normal wear and tear throughout the years of its old life. These pieces were made from a reclaimed deck. Sanding back the original paint gives them a perfect patina, with the original wood tones peeking through. Combining paint and stain on a project is perfect for distressing. A light sanding makes the paint less crisp and gives a nice worn edge to the project. Technique number 2, wet distressing. Wet distressing is simply using a damp cloth to wipe away paint before it has a chance to dry. For best results, work in small areas at a time. Technique number 3, Emery boards. Distressing with Emery boards is so easy to control the amount of paint removed. Concentrate on all the edges of your project to get the best look. Distressing isn't just for your wood projects. A painted lamp gets the treatment to reveal the black base coat underneath. The end result is a set of lamps turned into plant stands or candle holders for that special occasion. Using Emery boards gives you 2 options, the fine grit or the rough side of the Emery board. In my opinion, the Emery board gives you the better overall control of how much distressing is achieved on your project. I always start with a base coat of black paint on my white projects, making the black hooks look perfect on this coat rack made out of a bunk bed. Technique number 4, masking tape. Masking tape is used basically the same way, a black base coat with one lightly applied white top coat. Distress as much or as little as you like. Technique number 5, paint resist, also known as Vaseline. Paint resist with Vaseline will reveal whatever the base finish is. This bench was painted dark brown. Vaseline was randomly spread. A paint sprayer was used to apply the top coat. Then wipe away as much top coat as you wish, revealing the base coat underneath. This floating farmhouse shelf was stained before the Vaseline was applied. Next came the paint, which was wiped away after it dried, revealing a perfect farmhouse shelf. This vase was spray painted black. Then came the Vaseline. Lastly, a top coat of turquoise spray paint. A rag was used to wipe away the turquoise paint, revealing the black base coat underneath. Visit My Repurposed Life for more details.